Excellence. I'm sure that's your credit score to buy that. Excellence. There's a big one over there. There are literally hundreds of these baggy yachts down here. Pretty cool. I guess that's that one class that I missed in high school. But it's pretty cool. It's awesome. What do you think of those doggies?
When I was gonna talk, when I was a dog, I would say, wop, wop, wop.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. That's what you'd say?
Yeah. That makes no sense. What mean?
I don't know. You'd have to be doggy, huh? So what do you think of walking to the laundromat, Randall? Is this fun? What do you think? Yeah? You like sitting on the back? A comfy ride?
Like he's walking very far. He walked a good
Watch
way.
the doggy
Watch
poop.
the doggy do.
Dad, you're a great seat.
Yeah, a great seat.
Because I can't fall off.
Yeah, I don't think you fall off. Alright. Well, I think if I push this button, I think this turns around, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens.
It's a picture.
Oh. You gotta take. So we're in Palm Beach, and we just did our laundry, and now that was like a 2-mile walk. And now we're walking over to Publix. You can't complain, as you can kind of hear the birds chirping in the background. It's pretty for a city. Panoramic view. Streets look like. They're loving finding the iguanas and some of these fruit trees here that I get quite a kick out of. We got about a mile ride back on our dinghy, where our boat is. We walked a few miles today between laundry, grocery shopping, and got some other supplies. And some people just are having a hard time hanging today. I won't mention any names or nothing, but I guess you could probably pick them out of the crew here. This one here, how are you doing, Brad? And what's up, Doc?
Fishing lines are down.
Yeah, you have to watch out for fishing lines as you come underneath these bridges. Women like to fish off the top of the bridge, and if you ain't paying attention, you can certainly find yourself in a very uncomfortable predicament.
Fishing pole after fishing pole after fishing pole, all the way across. They got net. Dinghy net. Trying to catch some dinghy net.
That was nice. Nice area. Yeah, boat's way out there in the distance.